Aha! Wow! Fantastic!
Stranger is calling my phone. Stranger says he has something I want. A treasure box with gifts. I really want to
Yes!
see. Oh no. Something is inside the bushes. What is it? It's a big bad wolf. I will catch you. Ho ho ho. Quickly, go. Run away. The wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows. Everything that's in his way. Run away. The wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows. Everything that's in his way. I'm always super fun. With my rollerblades, I'm super fast. Hey, wait up. Please come back. Rollerblades are not allowed. There are rules you need to follow when you're at the escalator. If you don't follow the rules, you can hurt yourself or people around you. Safety first. Listen up.
Wow! Yes!
Hola.
Morning, time to brush my teeth.
Oh.
Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully.
Wow!
Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every
Wow!
day, that is so
Excellent!
easy.
Yeah!
Healthy yummy snacks. Time.
It's okay.
Yummy snacks. On the ground.
Aha!
Help me carry them pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Puzzle game is fun.
Look what I got!
But it can be so
Whoa!
hard.
So
Baby,
cool!
don't you worry.
Ew! Ew!
Misbehave.
Hmm. Huh.
Oh, somebody made a
mouse. Excellent. Here. Good. Fox. Woohoo! Bird. Ew. Wow! Yeah! Fantastic! Ha! Aha! Great! Wow! Woohoo!
Oh.
Yum, yum.
Okay.
Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom. Here I come.
Yum, yum, yum. So juicy, so crunchy, crunchy. Yum, yum, yum.
Wow!
So tasty and munchy,
Woo-hoo-hoo.
munchy. Yum, yum, yum.
Skeletons,
Oh my
spooky, scary
God.
skeletons. Riding a bus at night, not afraid of
Who?
anyone.
What? Where?
Skeleton fell off the bus, which is shouting at them now.
Okay.
No more skeletons riding on a bus.
Good night.
Four little skeletons, spooky, scary skeletons. Riding a bus at night,